Channing, are you feeling better?
You feeling a little better? Yeah. What are you eating right now?
Candies.
Ooh, I love candies.
And candy too.
You love candy too. Oh. Guess what? I love you.
Rubber too.
Thank you, honey. Did you get it? You gonna put it in your mouth now? Get that?
Daddy.
Or you gonna put it in Daddy's mouth?
Uh-huh.
No, silly.
And mommy.
You gonna put it in Mommy's mouth? No, put it in Channing's mouth. You're silly. Get the paper off.
Yeah.
Do you need help?
I have to.
Do you need help too? Can you say
No.
you don't need help?
I have to.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And Daddy.
Daddy, I love you.
Rubber too.